In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Kartra subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and how to confirm your cancellation without any surprises. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Kartra. From the results, click through to the official Kartra website. If you're ever unsure which result is correct, look for the official branding and the sign-in option on the homepage. Once you're there, head to the login area and sign in with your account credentials. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the one with the subscription you want to cancel. After you land on your dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner. Click the profile avatar icon to open the account menu. In that drop-down, select Billing. This is where Kartra keeps all your plan details, invoices, and payment information. On the billing page, locate your current active plan. You may need to scroll a bit, especially if you have multiple products or historical invoices listed. Next to your active plan, look for the Cancel option. It's often displayed as a red button. Before you click it, take a quick moment to note any details shown on this page, like your next renewal date or the end of your current billing period, so you know exactly when access will change. Click Cancel and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Kartra may ask for a reason for canceling. Simply choose the option that best fits your situation. Continue through the confirmation steps until you see a clear message that your cancellation has been recorded. In many cases, cancellations take effect at the end of your current billing cycle, which means you typically retain access until that date. The screens will usually spell this out so there's no confusion. When you're done, look for a final confirmation on the page and keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message. It's a good idea to save that message for your records. Back on the billing page, you should see your plan status reflect the upcoming cancellation or show that it's no longer active, depending on your timing. If anything on the screen looks different from what I described, don't worry. Interfaces change from time to time, but the path is the same. Profile avatar, billing, find your active plan, then cancel and confirm. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Kartra subscription and you know exactly what to expect next.